Welcome to our exclusive tour of your dream house and lot. Today, we invite you to step into a world of luxury, comfort, and serenity. As you enter, you'll be greeted by the charm and elegance that defines this exquisite property. Imagine yourself relaxing in this spacious living area, surrounded by the tranquility of nature just outside your window. For the culinary enthusiast, this gourmet kitchen is a haven for creativity and culinary delights. Indulge in restful nights and wake up refreshed in these luxurious bedrooms, where every detail has been thoughtfully crafted. Step outside and immerse yourself in the beauty of your own private oasis. Whether you're entertaining guests or simply enjoying a quiet moment alone, this outdoor space is sure to delight. Thank you for joining us on this tour of your dream house and lot. With its unparalleled beauty, luxury, and charm, this property is more than just a house, it's a place to call home. Contact us today to make this dream a reality.